Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add camera watermark in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and take a picture. I am taking this picture. And I open the picture that I took. See there in the bottom left side or right side or upper right corner or upper left corner, there is no watermark. Okay, so watermark is not enabled for photos in your phone. If you would like to add watermark for future photos, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to this three horizontal line here and then click on settings here, and here select watermark. Just here turn on general watermark, turn on this button. So here click on add watermark to. Here you can set it to photos, videos, or photos and videos. So if you would like to get watermark only to photos taking through a cameras, then just use first option. Otherwise use second option, that is for only videos. If you would like to use it for both, then select the third one, photos and videos. Okay, I first here kept in the first option, photos itself. Okay, then here click on customized text. Here you can add your watermark text. Okay, you can include your name or your friend name or your relative name or your business name or whatever you want. Here I would like to type my website name called www.facultyon.com. facultyon.com and click on save. So this facultyon.com will be printed along with your photo. But if you would like to remove this device watermark, that is default device watermark Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G, that just you can remove it. Just untick this option device model so that it will be removed. Okay, suppose if you would like to add date and time to your photo, just tick this box so that date and time will be printed along with your watermark. Okay, so if you would like to change font size for your watermark, click on font size and here change to large or change to small. Okay, I keep it to large. Okay, then position, you can also change the position of the watermark. By default it is available in the bottom left side. Okay, if you click on the position here, you can just here select top left means this is top left. Okay, then you can change it to center of your photo here. Okay, or otherwise you can change it to top right. Okay, top right is here. Okay, then bottom right. Okay, bottom right is here. Okay, I keep it in the bottom left. Okay, this is default position. And now I don't want this date and time. Okay, so just I untick it. Okay, just I would like to include my website name in the photo. Okay, finally go back and now take a photo. Now take a photo. I am going to take this photo and see the final outcome of this photo. Open the photo that you took. See in the bottom left side, www.facultyon.com is printed. It is misspelled .com instead of .com. Instead of O, 9 has come. So I just correct it. Now I am taking a photo. I am taking this one and see in the bottom left side my watermark is printed, that is facultyon.com is printed here. Okay, so in this way you can easily add camera watermark in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.